Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable private space on Vivo Y04. If you are using Vivo Y04 and now you want to enable your private space, so let's see how can I do this. Then you have a simple trick. You just have to scroll down control panel and here you'll get a file logo just like this. Just tap on it and you'll get your user setup. Here you'll use this is your own profile which you are using, and you can actually create more users on your phone, so it will enable private space. But if you won't get the setting here, just go for settings, look for user and accounts, and then select multiple users here. You just have to enable this one, and after that you can easily create more account or private spaces on your device. So that's how you can easily enable private space on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.